National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Cameron, Center, Clearfield, Clinton, and Potter. Effective until 6:49 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College, PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Center County in central Pennsylvania, southern Potter County in north central Pennsylvania, eastern Cameron County in north central Pennsylvania, northwestern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania. Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carthouse, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wharton, Keating, Renovo, Carthouse, Pine Glen, Westport, Crossfork, Tamarack, Stevenson Dam, Kettle Creek State Park, Olable State Park, and Driftwood. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
.com. Born American, bred country. Bigfoot Country 1021 10.